Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers back out here in Liberty, Missouri. This is a home of a previous, we did a project for these folks, about 5-6 years ago. And now we're gonna go install piers where we left off. The south side of the home here is really dropping like 3 inches at the footing. You can see what it's doing to the drywall. And yeah, we're gonna install these piers from the inside. We'll pull this carpet back, saw cut the floor, and get going here. So there you have it. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Now this home right here, we're gonna raise this footing about 3 inches, and we will videotape the raise when we do it. So stay with us here. We love making homes level. The reason this home sank is because not a lot of attention was put on the subgrade as far as compacting it before they built this house, as all the houses. Unlike the roads you drive on, there's extensive attention testing on the roads before they even let you pour concrete or lay asphalt. Not like that with these homes. The inspection is very little. All right, for all your foundation repair needs, call me. Thank you.